Yoga poses for stomach problem. Lie down in Shavasana. Bend your knees. Try to touch your chin to the knees. This is called Pawan Mukta Asana. Try to hold this position for a few seconds and smoothly come back and focus on your inhalation and exhale. You can try Pawan Mukta Asana for 8 to 10 times. This is good for your gastric, constipation and stomach problems. You can try this once more time. Hold it and smoothly come back and relax. Second, we practice Uttan Padasana. Raise your legs at 30 degrees. Hold this position for a few seconds and smoothly come back. Relax. Raise your legs. Hold it and come back. You can practice this 8 to 10 times. You can feel the stretch on your core area, on your stomach area. And relax. Now third one, bring your right feet closer to your chest and try to touch your toe to your nose. This is little difficult in the beginning, but yes, once you practice, you can do for a long time. You can, in the starting, you can practice 5 to 7 times. Relax. Try it once more time with both the legs and relax. Fourth one, you can do the same position with both the legs. Try to bring both the feet close to your chest and try to touch on your nose or to the chin. Relax. Once more time. And relax. Fifth one is supine spinal twist. Open up your arms and twist both the legs sideways. Look to the opposite side and you will feel some stretch and twist on your stomach area. Practice this 5 to 7 times. And relax. Thanks for watching this video.